Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find an Instagram ID from Instagram Reels. Want to find the Instagram ID of someone from a Reel? In this video, I'll show you how to find an Instagram ID from an Instagram Reel step by step. Just follow these simple few methods. The first method is to check the Reel's name. Now, click on your Instagram page and look for the Reel you want by clicking on the Reel section. Once you find the Reel, now when watching the Reel, look at the top left corner. The creator's name, ID, that means their username is displayed there. As you can see, this is not, I'm using a tablet, so the layout is a bit different. But as you can see, this is the username. You can see the username here. Now the second method is tap the Reel profile picture. If you want to go to the creator's profile, tap on the profile picture or username, and this will take you to their their Instagram page like this, where you can find their full ID. As you can see, this is the full ID of the page that's posted that Reel. The third method is to use Instagram search. Now, if you remember parts of their username, just open Instagram and go to search and type the name or keywords related to their account and find the right profile by matching their profile picture or posts. As for the fourth method is to check the comments and mentions. Now, if someone else shared their Reel, check their caption or comments. Sometimes users mention the original creator in comments. As for the fifth method, use Google search for public profiles. Now if the profile is public, search on Google and type Instagram's username plus site instagram.com, and this will show links to public Instagram profiles. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to find an Instagram ID from an Instagram Reel. Use these methods to identify creators and explore their profiles easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.